Assalamualaikum everyone. We are on the last story of this reader. Before get stuck, and the title is Butterfly. Butterflies are a very delicate creature of God, and they usually are of beautiful colors. And I know all of my students are very fond of colorful flowers and the butterflies around them. So we are going to read how a butterfly collects its meal from the flower. I'm going to read the text. It is on page number 28 of your reader. A butterfly flew into my garden on a bright, hot, sunny day. It sat on a bud, a great big red one, and then it flew far away. That butterfly came back to my garden a good while later in May. This time it sipped from an open flower. I think it has come to stay. The writer is telling us that there is a butterfly that is flying around the flowers of his garden, and the day is very sunny, like it is very bright. So we can assume it as the days of spring. He is observing that the butterfly is in full swing due to the bright weather. Sometime it is flying away and then coming back to the flowers. Now, in the last three lines, he tells us that it is drinking some nectar or some juice from the open flower. And it seems that it is a like it is a little tired, and it's going to stay on the flower for a while. That is why it is going to stay on the flower. So if we come to the slide number 3, it's about question number 1 and 2. The question number 1 is where was the butterfly flying? The butterfly was flying in the garden. Question number 2 is what did the butterfly do on an open flower? Answer is it sipped nectar from an open flower. On the fourth slide, you can see question number 3, that is of words meaning. And the first word is bright. The meaning of bright is shiny. Second word is sipped, drink slowly. It is to drink slowly something. Far. Third word is far, a long way. And the fourth word is stay, is to rest. On the fifth slide, you can see question number 4 is of word sentences, and you're being given with a list of words. Uh, the first one is bright, second is sunny, third is great, fourth word is garden, and the fifth one is later. So you have to make sentences of your own, and try to make sentences with appropriate grammar. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for completion of the syllabus and the revision worksheets. Thank you.